They are incredibly difficult to find, but if you can find a good one, then you hold on to them like gold.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about Ayam Cemani chickens. Prepare to embark on a journey into the mysterious allure of these remarkable birds, known for their distinctive jet black feathers, darkened flesh, and a history that traces back to the heart of Indonesia. Join us as we delve into the origins, unique characteristics, and cultural significance of Ayam Cemani chickens, shedding light on their enigmatic presence in the realm of poultry. In the heartland of Java, Indonesia, a mesmerizing creature roams the land, captivating the imagination of poultry enthusiasts worldwide. Welcome to the world of Ayam Cemani chickens, an extraordinary breed that exudes an aura of mystery and fascination. Adorned in feathers as dark as the night, the Ayam Cemani stands as a living work of art. Its jet black plumage covers every inch of its body, from its regal crest to its magnificent tail. But it's not just their striking appearance that sets them apart. It's the story behind their allure. Even from the moment they hatch, Ayam Cemani chicks display their distinctive coloring, setting them apart from other breeds. This remarkable genetic trait has made Ayam Cemani chickens a subject of fascination for geneticists and researchers worldwide. As these remarkable birds continue to capture hearts and imaginations, they've also found their place in backyards and farms. Enthusiasts who have been drawn to their beauty have taken on the responsibility of preserving and breeding this unique breed. Yet, despite their widespread admiration, Ayam Cemani chickens require careful breeding and attention to maintain their distinctive traits. Balancing genetics, health, and temperament is crucial in ensuring the continuation of this awe-inspiring lineage. If you're enjoying this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting episodes. Originating in the lush villages of Java, Ayam Cemani chickens have a rich cultural heritage. Revered by the locals for centuries, these birds hold a special place in Indonesian folklore and traditions. They are believed to possess mystical properties, symbolizing purity, prosperity, and protection against evil spirits. Owning an Ayam Cemani is not only a status symbol, but also an embodiment of spiritual connection. The Ayam Cemani's captivating appearance is rooted in its unique genetics that have intrigued scientists and breeders for generations. Its black pigment extends beyond its feathers, encompassing its skin, organs, and even its bones. This rare genetic trait, known as fibromelanosis, contributes to their striking black coloration. The meticulous breeding and selection process required to maintain this trait adds to their rarity and exclusivity. The exceptional characteristics and limited supply of Ayam Cemani chickens contribute to their lofty price tag. These birds are relatively scarce and demand a higher price due to their rarity. The meticulous breeding practices, strict adherence to breed standards, and the effort to preserve their unique genetic heritage make them highly sought after by poultry enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. Furthermore, the aura of mystery and the spiritual significance associated with Ayam Cemani chickens elevate their desirability. Their ethereal allure draws those seeking a connection to ancient traditions, a touch of enchantment, and a deeper sense of wonder. As a result, Ayam Cemani chickens become prized possessions, symbols of beauty, rarity, and a profound connection to the mystical. As the sun sets over the enchanting landscapes of Java, the Ayam Cemani stands as a living testament to the profound and inexplicable wonders of the natural world. Their captivating presence, rooted in ancient lore and genetics, invites us to embrace the mystique they embody. Whether as guardians of traditions, collectors' treasures, or spiritual companions, Ayam Cemani chickens continue to fascinate and inspire, forever a symbol of the extraordinary connections we forge with the animal kingdom. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on design and creativity. Hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.